हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna. Request all the devotees to mute your mics. Thank you.
निद्रा छाड़ी उठ जीवा भला हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी भला हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हय ग्रीवा भला हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हय ग्रीव विभा बरी नित्याचारी जीव विभा बरी हरि जीवा हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हय ग्रीव भला हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हय ग्रीव विभा बरी निद्राचारी जीव विभा वामन श्रीमधुसूदन वामन श्रीमधुसूदन ब्रजनंदन श्याम वामन श्रीमधुसूदन ब्रजनंदन श्याम पूतना घातन कई तब सातन जय दशरथी राम पूतना घातन कई तब सातन जय दशरथी राम यशोदा दूलल गोविंद गो यशोदा दूलल गोविंद गोपाल वृंदावन पुरंदर यशोदा दूलल गोविंद गोपाल वृंदावन पुरंदर Yashoda Dulala Govinda Gopala Yashoda Dulala Govinda Gopala Vrindavana Purandara Gopi Priyajana Radhika Ramana Bhuvana Sundara Gopi Priyajana Radhika Ramana Bhuvana Sundara Rabonanta Kara Rabonanta Kara Makhana Taskana Gopijana Bhattahari Rabonanta Kara Gopijana Hari Brajera Rakhale Gopo Vrindapala Chittahar Banshidhari Brajana Rakhale Gopo Vrindapala Chittahar Banshidhari Vibhavori Sesa Alaka Pramesa Vibhavori Sesa This is a song sung by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He is asking everyone to rise early in the morning. Vibhavari Shesha, the night is over, Aloko Pravesha, the glimpses of sunlight are there. Now you get up. Nidra chhari utho jiva. Don't sleep anymore. That is the of Vedic life. One should not sleep after sunrise. He must rise before sunrise. That is healthy life also. So, just instantly after rising from the bed, one should chant the holy names of the Lord. Here, it is suggested, Bala Hari Hari. Now we chant Hare Krishna mantra, Mukunda Murari. Krishna's different names. Mukunda means one who gives liberation. Murari, Murari means Krishna, the enemy of the demon.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, audio is not audible. Not audible still. Hare Krishna Prabhu, I think your mic is muted. That's why we are not able to hear.
Hare Krishna, bro. Is it audible, bro?
No, Prabhu. Now it's audible. Now it's audible. Means your voice is audible. Playback was not audible. Yeah, this playback is not audible.
And gives him
Now it's
liberation.
coming.
That is absolute pastime of Krishna. Madhusudana, Brajanda Nandana Shyama. Actually, God has no name, but His names are selected according to His pastime. Just like this Madhusudana name is given to him because he killed the Madhu demon. Similarly, he is known as Brajandanandan, the son of Vrindavan, because he appeared as the son of Jashoda and Nanda Maharaj, Brajandanandana. Shyama, his bodily hue is blacky, therefore he is called Shyama Sundar. Putana ghatana kaitava satana jaya dasarathi Ram. So because he killed the demon Putana, his name is Putana Ghatana. Ghatana means killer. Kaitava Satana. And he is chastiser of all kinds of dangers. Jaya Dasarathi Ram. In connection of his killing the Ravana, he is glorified Jaya Dasarathi. Dasarathi means his father's name was Dasarath. So he is Dasarathi. Dasarathi Ram. Jashoda Dulalo Govinda Gopala. Jashoda Dulal means pet son of Mother Jasoda, Govinda Gopal, and his cowherd's boy, Govinda, giving pleasure to the cows, Vrindavana Purandara, the chief of the Vrindavan land. He is the center of attraction for everyone in Vrindavan. Ravanantakara, Gopi Priyajan, is very favorable to the Gopi Priya, Radhika Ravana, and he always enjoys the company of Radharani. That is, his name is Radhika Ravana. Bhuvana Sundara. So he attracted so many gopis, that means he is attractive to the whole universe. Nobody is more attractive than Krishna within this universe or within anywhere. Therefore he is called Bhuvana Sundara Boro. Boro means the chief. Ravanantakara Makhana Taskara Gopi Jana Vastra Hai. As Rama, when he appeared as Lord Ramchandra, he killed Ravana, Ravanantakara, Makhana Taskara. And in Vrindavan, he is known as the butter thief. In his childhood pastime, he used to steal butter from the pots of the gopis. That was his pleasure, pastime. Therefore he is called Makhana Taskara, Makhancho, Gopijana Vastrahari. And he also stolen the garments of the gopis while they were taking bath. This is very confidential. Actually, the gopis wanted Krishna. They prayed to Katyayani Devi, goddess Katyayani, because he was attractive to all the girls of his age. So they wanted Krishna as husband. So superficially, Krishna was of the same age, and how he could be husband for all the gopis, that is superficial. But he accepted. Because the gopis wanted to become wives of Krishna, therefore Krishna accepted that proposal. In order to show them the mercy, he stolen the garments. Because a husband can take away the covering of wife's bodily garment. Nobody can touch it. So that is the purpose. But people do not know. Therefore, Krishna Lila has to be heard from realized soul. Or these portions should be avoided. Otherwise, we shall misunderstand that Krishna took away the garments and he was very much fond, woman hunter like that. Not that. He is Supreme Lord. He fulfills the desire of every devotee. So Krishna had no business to see the gopis naked. But because they wanted to become wife, so he fulfilled their desire. Token. Yes, I am your husband. I am taking your garment. Now you take your garment and go home. Therefore he is known as Gopijana Vastrohari. Brajanda Rakhala Gopavrinda Pala Chitta Hari Vansi Dhari. Brajanda Rakhala, the cowherd boy in Vrindavan, and Gopavrinda Pala. His only object was how to satisfy the cowherds men, including his father, uncle. They are all keeping cows to please them. So he is Gopavrinda Pala, Chitta Hari Vansidhari. And when he was playing the flute, it was taking the heart of everyone. Chitta Hari. He was taking away the heart of everyone. Joginda Bandhana. In spite of Krishna's playing as a small cowherd boy in Vrindavan, just like a village boy, making jokes with his friends, but still he is Joginda Bandhana. Joginda means greatest yogi, mystic. Dhyanavastita tadgatena manasa abhasyanti jam yogina. The yogina, the meditation. whom they are trying to find out. This Krishna, they are trying to find out Krishna. So unless they come to the point of concentrating their mind on Krishna, their yogic principle or mystic power is back. Yogi namapi sarvesam madgata antara. Yogi, first class yogi, must keep always Krishna within his heart. That is perfection of yoga. That is called Yogindra Bandhana, Srinanda Nandana, Brajajana Bhayahari. Although he is worshipped by the great mystics, still he lives in Vrindavan as son of Nanda Maharaj, and the residents of Vrindavan, they feel safe and sound under protection of Krishna. Navina Nirada Rupa Manohara Mohana Vanchi Vihari. Navina Nirada. Nirada means cloud. His complexion is just like new cloud. New cloud, blackish. Rupa, still he is so beautiful. Generally, black is not considered very beautiful within this material world. But because his body is transcendental, even he is blackish, he is the universally attract. Rupa Manohara. Mahana Bansidhari. Simply when he stands with his flute, even though he is blackish, he becomes so attractive to everyone. Jasodanandana Kansani Sudama. He is very much celebrated as the son of Mother Jasoda. He is the killer of Kansa and Nikunja Rasa Vilas. And he used to dance, Rasa dance in the Nikunja, Bangshi Bar, Nikunja. Kadamba Kanana Rasa Parayana. There are many Kadamba trees. Kadamba is a kind of flower that is especially grown in Vrindavan. Very fragrant and beautiful, solid flower, round. So Kadamba Kanana, he used to enjoy his rasa dance underneath the tree of this Kadamba. Ananda Vardhana Prema Nikitana Pulasara Jujaka Kama. So he was exciting the lusty desires of the gopis and increasing their transcendental bliss. Ananda Vardhana Prema Nikitana, because he is reservoir of all pleasure. The gopis used to come to enjoy because he is the reservoir of all pleasure. It's like we go to fetch water from a lake where there is water. Similarly, if we want actually blissful life, then we shall draw it from the reservoir of all pleasure, Krishna. Ananda Vardhana. That pleasure will increase. The material pleasure will decrease. You cannot enjoy for a long time. It will decrease. But the spiritual pleasure, if you want to draw it from the reservoir of all pleasure, Krishna, then it will increase. Your pleasure potency will increase and you will get more and more pleasure. As you increase your pleasure potency or desire, the supply is also incessant. There is no limit. Kulasara Jujaka Kama. He is the transcendental Cupid. Cupid, with his bows and arrow, he increases the lusty desires of this material world. Similarly, in the spiritual world, he is the supreme Cupid. He was increasing the lusty desires of the gopis. They used to come there, and both of them, there was no decrease. They were increasing their desire and Krishna was supplying them without any material concept of life, simply dancing, that's all. Gopangana gana chitta vinodana samasta gunagana dham. It is especially attractive for the Gopangana. Gopangana means the damsels of Brajadham. Gopangana gana chitta vinodana. They were simply absorbed in Krishna's thought. They were so much became attracted, like attached to Krishna, they could not give up his existence of his form within the heart for a moment. Chitta Vinodana, they capture the heart of the gopi. Chitta Vinodana, Samasta Gunagana Dham. He is the reservoir of all transcendental qualities. Jamuna Jivana Keli Parayana Manasa Chanda Chakora. Manasa Chanda Chakora. There is a bird which is known as Chakora. He looks toward the moon sign. Similarly, he was the moon among the gopis, and they were simply looking after him. And he is the life of the river Jamuna because he used to enjoy jumping over the river of Jamuna. Nama Sudhara Gao Krishna Nama Jasa Rakha Bachana. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is requesting everyone, now you chant all these different names of the Lord and save me. Rakha Bachanam, my dear mind, please keep my word. Don't refuse. Go on chanting all these holy names of Krishna.
Hare Krishna, everyone. Such a beautiful song written by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur Prabhupada. This song is part of the album Kalyana Kalpataru. And this is sung in a raga called as Bangala, and the thata is Khamas thata in the Hindustani classical music. And this rag is sung between 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. So it's a morning rag. And Srila Prabhupada very intelligently has given us these songs which are actually these songs have to be sung in morning time because our classes are held in the evening times, but the songs actually are meant to be sung in the morning hours, the Brahma Muhurta hours. And today's song what we are singing, the Vibhavari Shesha, this we sing in the same tune as Samsara Dava Nalaleda Loka, the Guru Ashtakam song. Right? And in this one tune we can sing many other songs also, like Jeev Jago, that can also be sung in the same tune. Samsara Dava, Vibhavari Shesha also, and Jeev Jago song also can be sung in this tune. So if you learn this one tune, you can easily sing 3 different Vaishnava bhajans. Right? We'll begin. And once again, because to make it easy for also Matajis also to sing and repeat in the chorus, I'm singing this in the B scale. Vibhavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidra Chadi Utho Jiva Vibhavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidra Chadi Utho Jiva Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari. Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari. राम कृष्ण हयग्रीवा बोलो हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हयग्रीवा नरसिंह वामन श्री मधुसूदन ब्रजेंद्र नंदन श्यामा नरसिंह वामन श्री मधुसूदन ब्रजेंद्र नंदन श्यामा पूतना घातन कैतभशातन जय दशरथि रामा पूतना घातन कैतभशातन जय दशरथि रामा यशोदा दुलाला गोविंद गोपाल वृंदावन पुरंदर यशोदा दुलाला गोविंद गोपाल वृंदावन गोपी प्रिया जन राधिका रमण भुवन सुंदर बारा गोपी प्रिया जन राधिका रमण भुवन सुंदर बारा रावणांतकर मखन तस्कर गोपी जन वस्त्रहारी रावणांतकर मखन तस्कर गोपी जन वस्त्रहारी व्रजेर राखाल गोप वृंदापाल चित्तहारी वंशीधारी व्रजेर राखाल गोप वृंदापाल चित्तहारी वंशीधारी योगींद्र वंदन श्री नंदनंदन व्रज जन भय हारी
योगींद्र वंदन श्री नंदनंदन व्रज जन
मनोहर मोहन वंशी विहारी नवीन नीरद रूप मनोहर यशोदानंदन कंस निषूदन निकुंज रास विलासी नंदन कंस निषूदन निकुंज रास विलासी कदम्ब कानन रास परायण वृंद विपिन निवासी कदम्ब कानन रास परायण वृंद विपिन निवासी आनंद वर्धन प्रेम निकेतन कुल शरजो जगकामा आनंद वर्धन प्रेम निकेतन कुल शरजो जगकामा गोपांगना गण चित्त विनोदन समस्त गुण गण उपांगनागण चित्त विनोदन समस्त गुण गण जमुना जीवन केली परायण मानस चंद्र चकोरा जमुना जीवन केली परायण मानस चंद्र चकोरा नाम सुधारस गाओ कृष्ण जश राखो वचन मन मोरा नाम सुधारस गाओ कृष्ण जश राखो वचन मन मोरा विभावरी शेष आलोक प्रवेश निद्रा छाड़ी उठो जीवा विभावरी शेष आलोक प्रवेश निद्रा छाड़ी उठो जीवा बोलो हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हयग्रीवा बोलो हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हयग्रीवा राम कृष्ण हयग्रीवा राम कृष्ण हयग्रीवा राम कृष्ण हयग्रीवा. So this is how the song goes, and in this song we see there are three different levels. The first verse is sung as Vibhavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidra Chadi Utho Jiva. Second verse is sung as Narsimha Vamana Shri Madhusudana Brajendra Nandana Shama. And third verse is again sung in the first level. And fourth verse is sung as Ravanantakara Makhana Taskara Gopijana Vastrahari. This is the third level. So there are three levels in this, and the singer can choose apart from the first level, which is meant for the first verse. Other two levels can be sung for any verse, but it is always good if you can make a pattern and sing. Just like the today's pattern was, I had sung the verse number 1, 3, 5 and 7, the 4 verses totally in the first level tune, and I had sung second in the second level, fourth in the third level, sixth in the second level, and eighth in the third level. Right. So now we will sing one by one. We will take only, because time is not permitting, we'll take only 3 verses, and we'll see how these 3 levels are sung in 3 verses. Right. You can all mute your mics so that the different voices won't clash, because there is always a little delay, so there'll be will not be in sync. So you can sing at your end, but by keeping the mic muted. Thank you. Vibhavari Shesha Loka Pravesha Nidra Chadi Utho Jiva. You can all repeat. छाड़ी उठो जीवा विभावरी शेष आलोक प्रवेश निद्रा छाड़ी उठो जीवा once again loudly विभावरी शेष आलोक प्रवेश निद्रा छाड़ी उठो जीवा next line बोलो हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हयग्रीवा
बोलो हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण
बोलो हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हयग्रीवा बोलो हरि हरि मुकुंद मुरारी राम कृष्ण हयग्रीवा. So here also we are actually not doing any decorations of it, alankaras of it, because to learn the different alankaras it may take some time. So as of now we are keeping it very simple, right? Just like Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari. It's a alankara. So if you have to learn this, you have to practice and learn separately. So we'll not be taking such alankaras, we'll be singing very simple notes. Next. Narsimha Vamana Shri Madhusudana Vrajendra Nandana Shama Narsimha Vamana Shri Madhusudana Vrajendra Nandana Shama. So this you can do to come back to the starting note. Narsimha Vamana Shri Madhusudana Vrajendra Nandana Shama Narsimha Vamana Shri Madhusudana Vrajendra Nandana Shama Utana Ghatana Kaitabhashatana Jaya Dasharathi Rama Utana Ghatana Kaitabhashatana Jaya Dasharathi Rama Utana Ghatana Kaitabhashatana Jaya Dasharathi Rama Putana Ghatana Kaitabhashatana Jaya Dasharathi Rama. So here one more point we have to consider is the pronunciation. So based on the diacritic marks given, we have to pronounce. So many times even I do mistake of singing Dasharathi Rama as Dasharathi Rama. It is actually Dasharathi Rama. Putana Ghatana Kaitavha Shatana Jaya Dasharathi Rama. Right? So like this we'll see many the diacritic marks. So based on that we have to sing with proper pronunciation. So we covered the two levels. Now the third level of singing is may be a bit difficult for the Matajis, because generally the Mataji's voice won't go this up. So we'll be still singing, and all those Matajis present here have a choice You can either sing this or you can manage the whole song with the alternate first level and the second level. Right? Ravanantakara makhana taskara gopi jana vastrahari
Ravanantakara
makhana taskara gopi jana vastrahari. It is just touches the highest note in this scale what we have chosen, and it comes back. If you can reach there, please sing it. But if you cannot reach, better to avoid singing this level, right? Because it may not sound so melodic. If you are not able to reach that note and still you are trying to pull out the voice from your throat. रावणान्तकर मखन तस्कर गोपी जन वस्त्रहारी
रावणान्तकर मखन तस्कर
गोपी जन वस्त्रहारी व्रजेर राखाल गोप वृंदापाल चित्त हरि वंशीधारी व्रजेर राखाल गोप वृंदापाल चित्त हरि वंशीधारी. Again, come back to once the whole song is over, come back to Vibhava Vishesha again, and you can again end this song with the three names repeating. Rama Krishna Hayagriva. Follow. Rama Krishna Hayagriva. Rama Krishna Hayagriva. Rama Krishna Hayagriva. This you can sing in two ways. One is Rama Krishna Hayagriva. This is first way. Rama Krishna Hayagriva. You can, as per your knowledge of singing, you can make different varieties, being within the limit of the scale. Rama Krishna Hayagriva. This also you can do. Rama Krishna Hayagriva. Griva. So this is how we can sing this song. So here we conclude. We will meet with another song in next week. This session won't be there as we'll be traveling for a yatra to Vrindavan, and we'll be meeting next week. So till then, practice this song and sing this song every day at your home. Thank you all for joining this session. Vishwaguru Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Nitai Premanande. Hari Hari.
हरि हरि बोल. धन्यवाद प्रभु जी.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
हरे
Thank
कृष्ण
you,
प्रभु.
Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.